Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. This is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel, where we give you daily updates on the crypto market and all the opportunities that crypto provides, such as airdrops, DeFi, NFTs, passive income IDs, and a lot more than that. So make sure to tune into my channel, put on your notifications so you don't miss out all the value that I will be providing on a daily basis. Let's get into the video of today. Today we will be talking about Alpha Kongs. This is a very important Alpha Kongs update, and you should know every detail that I will discuss into this video. We will be covering 5 topics. The first one, how to claim your Blue Banana Serum. Yes, every holder of an Alpha Kong will get airdropped a Blue Banana Serum. The second topic, what can we do with this serum? The third one, update on my passive income earnings, plus an explanation on how I do this with Alpha Kongs. The fourth one, how to prepare yourself for the second collection. They have a second collection coming up named Omega Kongs. And then the fifth and the last one of today, I will be sharing some value because I will share 3 altcoins that I am buying right now. I bought yesterday and I bought today. Plus, I will give you a Bitcoin update. What are the possibilities in the short term for the market? Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do, how we gonna claim our Blue Banana Serum? First of all, what do we do? You can go to Twitter, but Twitter is a lot of mess. So we just go to Discord and then we click onto announcements and then we have a nice overview what's happening with the project. Alright, so if we go to announcements, we will see keep your Alpha Kong staked for a special mystery surprise. In my previous video, I will leave a card in the top for my previous video. I said you have to stake from 10 April to 18 April so you can claim your Blue Banana Serum for free. You only have to pay a small gas fee. For me, I claimed 3 serums and I paid $20 gas fee. So that is really cheap. Why? I will show you. If we come to OpenSea and we look at the Blue Banana Serum, the price is 0.3 per NFT. So, you have now, if you claim 1 Blue Banana Serum, you can sell it and you have 0.3 Ethereum profit because it's a free airdrop. But if you hold it, you can do something with it. I will cover this later. First, let us check this. So, now that we have passed this, and you have staked from 10 to 18 April, you can claim your Blue Banana Serum. So now the question is, can I now unstake my NFT and maybe sell it if you want to get out of the project? You could unstake your NFTs, but you will be missing out on a special mystery surprise that we have for holders that keep their Alpha Kong staked for daily passive yield. And they also say you can do it, but you will be good at once you know what you will be missing out on. They just cannot share what it is yet. You also have to know they have an Ace Comic Con stories are cooking. So there's very big utility in this project, and I think this project, if they keep evolving like this and everything goes as smooth as it's going right now, there's a big chance they can become a blue chip NFT project on the Ethereum blockchain. So if we go a bit further, we will see right here. You will also see right here, the more Blue Banana Serums you have, the higher the chance of getting an Omega Kong from a higher class. But they also do this randomly. So for the people who are new into Alpha Kongs, they will also have the same chance to receive a legendary Omega Kong. So if we scroll to the downside, we will find the website where we can claim our Blue Banana Serum. You just click onto that. When you have clicked onto that, you have to connect your wallet. Once you are connected, you will see your claimable serums, and then you just have to click onto claim. I already did this, but this is the way to claim your serum. So once I have done that, this is the thing that I always do. I would recommend this for everyone. Click onto connected sites and disconnect. Always do this. You never know, if this site get hacked, you can get hacked also. So do this. So now that we close this, we go back to the announcements. Now is the big question, what can we do with this serum? So I already said you, they will give you a second collection, and this will come around mid-May and May. And the second collection, you will receive NFT by drinking the Blue Banana Serum. But you will need at least 1 original OG Alpha Kong to drink the serum to receive an Omega Kong. So in my position, I have 3 Alpha Kongs. So I could sell now 2 of them and only hold 1 and drink 3 serums with that 1, and I receive 3 Omega Kongs. But I'm a long-term holder in this. I'm earning passive yield. I will show this on the end of the video. So I'm not selling any of my Alpha Kongs. That's just my personal opinion. It's not financial advice, and you should do your own research on this. You can also see 90% of the royalties of the collection, the blue banana serum. So the royalties on OpenSea, when it's traded, you can see there's a volume of 30 Ethereum right now. So every royalty that they earn, 90% goes to the liquidity pool of the Alpha Coin token. So this is good for the long term and for price sustainability. If we click onto good news, right under announcements, we will see the Blue Banana staking is live. So you can, in the meantime, now your Blue Banana has no use case, because the second collection, Omega Kongs, has still yet to be dropped. But for now, you can stake your Blue Banana serum also, and you can earn 1 Alpha coin a day. If you stake an Alpha Kong, you earn 2 Alpha coins a day. But if you stake the serum, you will receive 1. So this is also use case until the second collection comes. Then we drink the serum will be burned, and you will receive an Omega Kong. If there's anything not clear, just leave a comment. Don't be afraid to ask some questions, because every question that you ask, maybe someone else has the same question and they are also helped out then. So share it with the community. So now I will give you an update on my personal earnings, and I will give you an explanation on my strategy behind it. So if we go back to the website, also you can see right now the owners are 1.3k and are 8.9k. You would say, oh, this is not good. You have to know the actual owner count is this, because they are staked in one wallet. Just click onto this Alpha Kongs ecosystem. Then click onto open dashboard. Connect your wallet. Approve this. Yes. Alright, now that we are in, I will show you what I have earned. So you can see I earned 8.5 Alpha coins in 24 hours. I have a weekly earning of $245 at this moment. I earn monthly $1,080 and yearly $12,800 with staking my Alpha Kong. You can see I have 116 Alpha coins that I can claim. I have never claimed Alpha coins. I think I'm into this project around 2 weeks and a half. So this is my earnings from now. You have to know also I received this lab that is also earning me 2.5 Alpha coins a day. Why did I have this lab? I didn't bought this because this is 100 Alpha coins to buy this. But I didn't bought it. What I did was participate in a giveaway on Twitter. They are doing so many giveaways, and I received this from the giveaway. What is totally insane, because if you look at the price and you look at the coin, this is worth $400, and the moment that I got it, it was $1,000. So they are doing really, really big giveaways. So I would say and recommend to everyone, if you are not into Alpha Kongs, or you don't have the money, or you don't have capital, whatever it is, go to their Twitter, participate in every giveaway you could, and maybe you will win. As you can see, if we go to Twitter, pinned tweet 19 hours ago, win $1,000 in Ethereum, retweet and tag 3 friends. It's nothing that you have to do, just do it. Also this, giveaway, Blue Banana Serum drop, random picker on Saturday 24. Just try it. Why wouldn't you try this? Go try and participate if you don't have an Alpha Coin already. So now what I could do is with my 100 Alpha Coins, I could immediately, without spending too much gas fee, buy this, because they did some updates. Go check the Discord. I cannot check every announcement individual because it would become boring and long. So go check it out yourself, do some research. And if you would like that I check every detail, leave a comment and I know this, what the community wants. But I don't want to bore you. That's why I don't do it. So I could buy this and earn 2.5 Alpha coins. After 40 days, I'm already break even. And I'm already back with 2.5 Alpha coins extra in profit, if you know what I mean. So now, let's get to the staking part of your Blue Banana Serum. So if you click onto staking capsule, you can see your Blue Banana right here. You just click onto approve. You confirm this. Yes. Once this is confirmed, you can stake them, and you will receive for each Blue Banana Serum 1 Alpha coin. Once we have done that, we just click onto 3 pieces. All right, stake them. Let's see what it costs. $12. All right, no problem. Confirm. All right, transaction is confirmed. This will take a while. So now everything should be staked. As you can see, staked 3, wallet 0. All right, now let's close this, go back to the dashboard and see if this will be updated. Tomorrow I will see if this is updated. Tomorrow this should be 11.8. You can see also the alpha coin had an all-time high of $10-12, and we came from 15 cents, 50 cents, something like that. So you have to know price is doing really good. Even if this drops like min 70% from here and we go to $1, it's still much that you're earning. You're earning $2 a day then just by holding an alpha coin. This is $60 a month. So you can earn money and you never know when the price goes up. So in my opinion, it's a really good project with a lot of DeFi opportunities. So now the fourth topic of today, how to prepare yourself for the second collection. This is very easy. What you can do if you're not part of the AlphaCoins ecosystem, you can just go and buy one of the secondary market. They are at a decent price right now. I saw the price at 0.95 already. So we're at min 50% right now. So this is a good price to get in my opinion. Not financial advice. Always do your own research. But I'm guessing this is a good price to get in. So what can you do? You can just buy one of the secondary market. You have to know I paid myself 0.5. So this is a really good price. Not gonna say that again. So you could buy one of the secondary market. Then you buy a Blue Banana serum of the secondary market. If you can, there's only one listed now. And once you have bought that, you just hold them both. And when the moment comes from the Omega Coin collection, you just drink the serum and you will receive the second collection. That's how you prepare yourself. Now, the last topic of today will not take too long. 3 altcoins I'm buying plus a Bitcoin update. I will show you which altcoins very quick. I'm not gonna explain too much about it. If you want to know more, just leave a comment. This one I bought yesterday at 10 cents and a half. Today I'm buying more and I'm staking it. I'm already providing liquidity in the liquidity pools. I will leave a card in the top right corner. But now I have bought and I have staked this right into my Capital wallet for 160% EPR yearly. This means if you put in 1,000, you will receive 1,600 yearly. This is around $140 monthly. This is around $20. My mistake. This is around $4 a day that you're earning for only an investment of $1,000, and you stake it. And you have the opportunity that this does a 10x to $1.40 all-time high. And then the $1,000 would be $10,000 and you're earning $1,000 a month or something with only an investment of $1,000. So think long term. Know why I'm doing this. So for everyone who is interested and don't know how to buy SwiftChain, just leave a comment. Also keep in mind, my private group is coming. And in my private group, I will learn what I'm doing and every step that I make behind the scenes before I post a YouTube video, Twitter, Instagram, whatever it is. I will be sharing with my private community first. And if you're excited about that and you want to be part of that, just leave a comment so that I know that a lot of people want to participate in the private community. And this will drive me to make it faster online and to make it faster accessible for everyone that wants to be a part of it. The third one that I bought some Juno and I staked it for 100% EPR. This means 1,000 investment means 1,000 passive income yearly. If it goes back to all-time high, let's say we're at 17, a 3x, then you receive 3,000 a month, 3,000 yearly. So you have to keep this in mind. You have to think long term. And I would recommend buy Juno, stake it for future airdrops. With SwiftChain, you're not gonna have that in my opinion. So Juno is better for the airdrops. And the third one that I bought, also from the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm very deep in Cosmos ecosystem because one day the narrative will go fully to Cosmos and then you will see what Cosmos is about and the whole ecosystem will explode for a time. And then it's very important that you take profits. So this secret network is the other one that I bought and I staked it also for 34% EPR yearly. And with secret you also have the chance to receive a lot of airdrops, the same as Cosmos, Osmo and Juno. Keep that in mind. This is what I bought. No financial advice. If you have any questions about these altcoins, just leave a comment and I will reach out to you. Now, the last update of today, let's get into the Bitcoin chart. The moment we are talking about this right now, we have 1 hour of pumping out of this resistance. You have to know every line that stands here, I already drew that when we were right here. You have to know that. We were right here, something here, here. Here's where I started YouTube. Around this area. This was the first area that I told. This was my point of interest because this was really a point of a reversal of a trend that I saw. This was a point that it shows there's a chance to reverse and start a bullish trend. That's why I have these lines ready. You can also see everything that I a bit drowned. It's a bit messy, but I know what I'm doing. So the only one who needs to understand this chart is me. I don't think about other people that they need to understand my chart. I need to understand it. That's the most important. And you should do the same. So if we look in the long term, we see we still have a bullish trend. We still have bullish structure. As long this is not broken and closed below and we break down lower and we break below 36k, 37k, everything is still bullish. But you have to keep in mind, there are so many gaps in Bitcoin. If you look at monthly candle, for an example, we should return to 28k at least, 20k and 12k. Those three targets should be reached in any moment of time. This can be this year, next year, but I possibly think this will happen this year. And if it doesn't happen this year, it will most certainly happen in the first quarter of 2023. That's my opinion. I think you need to watch out in November, December 2022. Also for the upcoming month now, watch out for volatility. There's also big possibility if you look at the 4 hours. You can see that right now. Here we broke out, we retested this, then we went back lower, but now we have a full retest of this. So this is good to grab some money again. You have to know also, because of this, a lot of shorts are liquidated. Go research the data. A lot of people lost some money with leveraging, crypto trading, because it's now pumping. Everyone was bearish. Even the biggest technical analysts were bearish. And on that moment, there is always, not always, but most of the time a short squeeze. Everyone is bearish, everybody starts shorting the market, and that's the moment the market will do a big pump to take all that money out, to chase the stop loss. You also have to know all the exchanges, they have the data, they see where you put your stop loss, put your take profit, and they sell that data to big hedge funds, to big systems, capitals, venture capitalists who invest in the market with big flows of money. And you have to know you're trading against those people. That's why I say you better invest than trade. That's just my opinion. I had more success with investing than trading. And the most people that I know who did both of them really make the most money, the biggest money, by holding, by investing, not trading. Because trading, it's sometimes up and down. It's like life. You will win 1 month, you will lose 1 month. This is just something I want to share with the crypto family, and I hope you appreciate that. So for now, keep in mind, if we come back to this C level, and we come not above this, there's a big chance this was just taking the money, the liquidity out, and we will go back down low. So I'm being very careful. I'm not buying blind. Yes, I'm buying altcoins, but I'm not FOMOing into the market. I will need to see some clear confirmation. And one thing that I would recommend everyone, make sure to have some cash or stable coins ready if we come to the levels that I set, 28k, 20k, and 12k. So keep that in mind. Alright, that was it. I hope to see you into the next video. If you like the content, if you appreciate the value, please subscribe to my channel so I can grow more. And this will support me to grow better content, because I want to start investing into this channel. So the moment I can earn some money with this channel, I will invest everything back into the community. I have a very long-term vision and I'm not here for the money. Yes, everyone wants a stable income, but I am very independent on that. So this community is really to grow with my crypto family. And I want to share this again. Yes, again. And maybe I'm boring you. You can click the video away. It's the end of the video. It doesn't matter that much. But I want to share this with everyone who's watching. I can't wait to share the private group and what's gonna happen there. I'm gonna change people's life, and they will change also other people their life. This will be a community with high value. I will share trade IDs, DeFi IDs, NFT IDs, airdrops IDs, things to set yourself up for an airdrop before it's even happening. Maybe it needs to happen in 6 months. I will already share that. I'm thinking about sharing so much high value on such a private basis that it's really exclusive for only the people who are into the I'm Crypto Wolf community. Drop a comment if you're also excited for this, and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.